May I, in Azerbaijani, learn?
Olar, men?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to sound polite and confident in Azerbaijani? Doorbell sound. Ding dong. You smile, raise your hand a little, and say,
Olar, men?
the perfect, may I, for any situation. Think of it as your polite magic key. Even a cat in a tiny bow tie would tap the door and purr
Olar, men?
before entering. Today, you'll master, may I, in English and
Olar, men?
in Azerbaijani with quick laughs and fast wins. Today's goal.
Olar, men?
By the end, you'll ask, may I? Like a pro, clear, kind, and confident. Core phrase for permission.
Olar, men?
Equals, may I? Short form check-in.
Olar?
Equals, is it okay? Opposite alert.
Olmaz.
Equals, not allowed. Ability versus permission.
Men edebilirim.
Equals, can I? Am I able, but.
Olar, men?
Equals, may I? Do I have permission? Politeness boosters.
İcaze.
Permission.
Xahiş ederim.
Please, use them to sound extra friendly. Mini dialogues. Ding-dong politeness. Listen, smile, and repeat out loud. If you giggle, that's excellent pronunciation practice. A. Excuse me.
Olar, men?
Opening parenthesis.
Pencereni açmak.
Closing parenthesis question mark. B.
Olar.
Of course. A.
Olar, men?
Opening parenthesis.
Burada oturmak.
Closing parenthesis question mark. B.
Olar. Buyur.
Go ahead. A.
Olar, men?
Opening parenthesis.
Sual vermek.
Closing parenthesis question mark. B.
Olmaz.
Just kidding.
Olar.
A. Little check.
Olar.
B.
Olar.
Call and response drill. I'll cue the English, you answer with Azerbaijani. Speak boldly, your plants are applauding. May I, to open the window. You.
Olar, men?
Opening parenthesis.
Pencereni açmak.
Closing parenthesis dot. May I, to sit here. You.
Olar, men?
Opening parenthesis.
Burada oturmak.
Closing parenthesis dot. May I, to ask a question. You.
Olar, men?
Opening parenthesis.
Sual vermek.
Closing parenthesis dot. Quick check-in. Is it okay? You.
Olar.
Ability versus permission. Can I, am I able, to help? You, ability form.
Men kömek edebilirim.
Now permission. May I help? You.
Olar, men kömek edim.
Culture tip. Polite in Baku. Be warm, be brief, be kind. Permission is a smile in sentence form. In Baku cafes, you'll often hear.
Olar, men?
Before someone takes a seat, add.
Xahiş ederim.
To turn the charm to 11. If you get.
Olar.
You're good, if you hear.
Olmaz.
No worries, thank them anyway. Think of.
İcaze.
As social sunscreen, it prevents awkward burns. Also, there may be tea and sugar cubes as a reward for your politeness. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after the pause. Q1. How do you say, may I, politely in Azerbaijani? A.
Olar, mən?
Q2. Which word means not allowed? A.
Olmaz.
Q3. Which one asks for permission, not ability?
Mən edə bilərəm.
Or.
Olar, mən?
A.
Olar, mən?
Q4. True or false?
Olar?
Can mean, is it okay? A. True. Your speaking challenge. Create 3 polite requests and say them twice, louder the second time. You've got this. Use the base, then swap the action.
Olar, mən?
Opening parenthesis.
Zəng etmək.
Closing parenthesis semicolon.
Olar, mən?
Opening parenthesis.
Şəkil çəkmək.
Closing parenthesis semicolon.
Olar, mən?
Opening parenthesis.
Bugün tez çıxmaq.
Closing parenthesis dot. Bonus. Try the short check.
Olar?
With a friendly smile. Thank you and next steps. Brilliant work today, your politeness level just leveled up. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, may I, alongside.
Olar, mən?
All week. For more bite-sized lessons, transcripts, and quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.
Olar.
For more learning fun.